This is the iPhone that I have ordered and it has come, and this is the box. It says iPhone and I'll show it to you from all the side. It has a barcode also, and other side also it says iPhone, and there is the logo, and that's the background. It says 128 GB. It includes iPhone 11, EarPods with lightning connector, lightning to USB cable, and USB power adapter. It supports GSM, UMTS and LTE cellular technologies. It supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC and GPS. Some capabilities are not available in all areas and depend on your wireless plan and service provider network, blah 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 blah. And I already told you its MRP is 69900, which is 69,900, but I exchanged my phone, so I got it around 68,250. So without any further delay, I'm gonna open it, guys. And one more thing, if you will touch this part of the phone, then it is slightly above this flat level. It feels like phone is here only. So let me open it. Let me check from where I have to go. Yes, this it indicates from where it has to be opened. And dun dun, it's opening. This cover is opened, and now, ooh, it's wow. Let me throw this thing, and I was feeling a little bit low because I couldn't get the mint and purple color, but I love this red, guys. It's looking just wow. And it is heavy a little bit, and it's such a glossy finish. The front screen is also covered with this cellophane, and maybe you will find the light low because I have switched off front light as it was making this screen shiny. So wow, it looks like a face, guys. These two are eyes and this is the mouth. It's looking like a smiley. It is a microphone, I think, and it's on the back side also, and it's really glossy, guys. I'm just in love with it. And what all I got, I'll just show you. This is designed by Apple in California. It has some product and some manuals and all, and it's a must to read, guys. Always go through the manuals. And this is some sticker or something, maybe I won't be using it. And this is that I don't know what it's called, but it's the pin which is used for taking out the SIM and memory cards and all. And it is a common thing, it's available with all the phones these days. And this is the lightning charger. I tried reading it, it's not readable, I can't read it, but I know that it's a 5-volt charger, I read it somewhere. And these are the EarPods, and it's a wired one, it's not wireless. Apple earphones are really good, so I'm gonna use it, guys. And this is the lightning cable, as these are lightning chargers and cables, USB cables. It's already written on the back of this box that I read in the beginning. Yeah, see, it says EarPods with lightning connector, lightning to USB cable and USB power adapter. And it's not written there volts and all, but it's written on top of this thing, but it's not readable, sorry. Let's keep these things aside and come to the phone, guys, and I'm gonna switch it on. I think I should remove this box also. Oh wow. And I would like to tell you one thing, that this is my first Apple phone. I've not been using Apples earlier, but I needed a phone to record my YouTube videos, so I bought this Apple phone, and it's saying hello. and hola. And hello and bonjour, and everything means hello only. So I'm waiting for it to get on. Till then I'll be doing all these parts. Waiting. Where did you go? Switch on please. Where did you go? Do I need to touch it? Oh, sorry. I think it got in some standby mode. And why it's again saying hello, hola and everything. Did I need to swipe it or do something and I didn't do? See how. No, it's not swiping. What the hell, it again got off. Swipe up to open. Oh, sorry. I was not swiping it up, so you have to swipe it up. And select your country. I'm selecting India. There is my India. And it needs some setup. English. It's English. And why it's again saying namaste. Oops, will I have to do everything again? I don't. Oh, enter password. Sorry, but I'll hide it and enter. Done. So I have to enter all these things. So I'll enter it secretly. I entered the DOB and everything. And it needs my Apple ID, so I'll use phone number. It needs my phone number, so I'll enter it secretly, guys. So after entering the phone number, it's saying verification code may come. So I'll have to wait and then I'll enter the code. Yes, it came, so let me enter it. Yes. I entered the code. Now it's asking for some passwords. I'll enter it secretly. I am done. I think almost. I agree. And I have created new Apple ID and you have seen how to create it. I hope it's clear. Yes, I have not seen my passwords and entering my codes and everything, but I have shown you how to enter it, guys. So we have to wait for a few minutes as it says, and it's creating the Apple ID and I'm waiting. Ding. Don't know how much time it will take. Waiting. So after waiting for a few minutes, it says express settings and I'll continue. Keep your iPhone up to date, continue. It will automatically update. That's all this is about, I think. And no Siri helps you, I think. Just by asking. It's like, I think, Google Assistant kind of something. And say, hey Siri into your iPhone. So I'll say, hey Siri. Sorry, I was bringing it closer. Hey Siri, what's the weather? Oh, sorry guys, I'll have to move it towards my mouth. Hey Siri, what's the weather like today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. And finally say, hey Siri, play some music. Oops. Hey Siri, play some music. And I'll show you it takes. Yes, Siri is ready, guys. So continue. Not now. Continue with other, don't share. Continue. You go home, switch between. Oops, so much guys, it's a tension. Now I'm feeling irritated. I just wanted the front page to open. I want to see how it looks. Just like the normal Android phones or something different. I've been using Android for a long time. And then I used that Nokia phone which has Windows in it. But I have never used iPhone. Again, waiting. Oh, sorry, it says swipe up to get started. Why I don't read this thing? So this is the screen, guys, and maybe later I'll change these wallpapers and all. So it's ready to use all these, and as I will be using it, maybe I'll be sharing with you my experience and all, and henceforth my videos will be made by this phone only, and you will see the video quality difference, the difference in video quality. As earlier I was using just a normal Android phone, a Moto G phone, and now I'll be using Apple iPhone, which I purchased basically for the purpose of shooting my videos, guys. I love to do vlogging, so it's very easy to carry, and its features are, I'll tell you about it. It has 128 GB storage, so I need not to attach any extra storage or something into it. And also it has a wide camera angle, which is very good feature of it, and like wide lens which we use in DSLRs, and also it has that feature. And with time I'll gather knowledge about it and definitely share it with you. Guys, now the setup is ready, and now I'm gonna show you some of its camera features and qualities. And it has these two back cameras, and each of this is 12 megapixel. And the special thing about this iPhone 11 is its 4K recording from front camera as well as from back camera, guys. And it has wide angle view facility, and while taking pics as well as while recording, you can use the wide angle camera. And now I'm gonna show you some of the pics taking this iPhone. This is the normal pic that I'm taking, and now this is the wide angle thing. You can see my tripod stand, my almirah, everything is getting featured. So I don't want to take the wide angle view, I'll just do this view. Now I'm gonna show you some of the camera quality of this iPhone 11, and this is the normal camera thing which I'm taking pics with. And now the wide angle thing, the special thing about this camera, which is this wide angle. Oops, my finger is also getting into the picture. But this is the wide angle thing. You can take pic like this. You can decrease the angle again, and it applies during video recording also, like this. The video has started. You can do a wide angle thing like this. You can decide the angle also and see how wide it can go, guys.